It's -3 in Vancouver. It's going to be cold for a while. Well, that's not very exciting. I maintain a mailbox. I get home after 4 months or 5 months of not visiting my mailbox, and I have a statement from Visa for each of those months. So I've got 5 pieces of mail in 5 months, and it costs me $1 a day for that mailbox. But I don't buy it simply because of the mailbox. I buy it because it gives me a permanent address in Canada. So that's one pile of mail I don't have to bother with again. I can just throw it in the garbage, basically. I can get online Visa statements anytime I feel like. So the other day, I saw a photographer that I subscribe to shooting water in video. He included a shot of water in his video, but he had slowed it down. So I thought I'd find a little stream. It's just a little stream in a big park. In fact, it's very easy to get through, as you can see by the cars parked and my bus parking spot. So I chose to shoot a long clip of these two waterfalls. This is normal speed and sound. This is half speed, and the sound of the crow makes it obvious it's slowed down. This is 1/3 speed. And 1/4 speed. And 1/8 speed. Back to a half speed. Full speed again. A still image. Guess what speed this is? This is full speed and might give you a hint. This is another clip set at the same speed. If you don't like this kind of riddle, please forgive me. My purpose was to demonstrate how standing at a little stream can be actually quite interesting. visited my mailbox, and I basically stood at this stream. And I hope you found this entertaining and informative, especially if you want to make videos of your own. If you like it, like it. If you don't, click that thumbs down. But comment with your guesses about the speed of that shot and this water here.